Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can purchase the UCL Group Stage Ultra Pack in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So this is the weekly limit, and before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, complete a mission or exchange player so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tapping the store. Tap the UCL group stage, and as you can see there are a lot of options you can purchase here, but I want to show you this one, Ultra Pack weekly limit 5, so you can purchase it 5 times in a week. And also there are guarantee rewards here. You can learn by one. This is guarantee reward. If you're lucky, you can get these possible rewards. For example, this one, Sabi Alonso. This is prime icon player. You can get this guy in this ultra pack. Or you can get Jude Bellingham. This is the UCL group stage live player that's happening now. Or you can get even legendary Sir Bobby Carlton. Rest in peace. Let's try our luck by 6,250 gems. Tap. And let's see my luck. Tap to open. I got 1 million coin. Not bad. Reveal all. I got some player from UCL group stage Confederation. This is the Confederation player. Okay. And I got one from UCL group stage live player. I don't know. This Frederick Arsnes from Benfica. So maybe you're lucky than me. Draw your luck in Ultra Pack. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.